This is Miss Lawler. I want you guys to go ahead and do something for me for Tuesday. What I would love for you to do is go to your Google Chrome, pull it up. Yours probably looks something like this, but without children in the background. I have emailed to the student a web address. Please go to that web page. Once you are on that web page, click the star and done. This allows our class web page to be bookmarked to their Chromebook, because we will start here every day, our Google Classroom, all of our Google Meets. These are very important. Also, you now have bookmarked a place for all of their websites. So, next time they open Google Chrome, you will see that our website is bookmarked and just one click away.